Are you looking for the best honing steels in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best honing steels that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the DMTCS2 wear-resistant ceramic honing steel. If you are regular honing steel for your heavy-duty job, then the DMTCS2 12-inch ceramic honing steel is a great choice for your needs. The reason is that this item is made of durable material. That means it will last a very long time even under continuous use, and the aluminum base keeps the rod from getting too heavy. Moreover, this honing steel has an outstanding quality that makes the honing process easy. Honing your knives has never been so easy. With only 5 to 6 light swipes, you can save time and effort compared to using a regular stroke. The best thing is, with this ceramic rod, you don't need to use oil to sharpen your cutlery. Besides, this product has a sanitary plastic handle for your hand safety and comfort. The durable handle keeps the rod in place even after heavy use. Moving on at number 4, we have the Kota Japan Diamond Professional Honing Steel. What if you need to show off your skills for cutting cantaloupes, pumpkins, and other fruits, vegetables with a hard rind, but your knife is too blunt? Fear not, the Koda honing steel is here to help you. Kota Japan Diamond Professional Honing Steel is a tool for professionals. Made of electroplated diamond, this honing steel delivers precision hone capabilities with very little effort. Furthermore, it also sharpens old knives. Besides, this product is 12 inches long. It is very durable and sturdy as it is electroplated with diamonds. You can sharpen knives made from any metal. In particular, this tool is in the form of an oval rod, giving you more surface area to sharpen your knives and reduce your effort. Moreover, this honing steel's handle is sleek, easy to hold, and feels good to hold. And the best part is the manufacturer has a lifetime warranty on this product. At number 3, we have the Allwyn-Houseware 12-inch carbon steel knife sharpening steel. This honing steel is extremely budget-friendly. Available in both 10 or 12-inch lengths, this rod is less than $15 and can hone a knife nearly as well as any of its competitors. The rod is made of carbon steel and plated with nickel chrome, which gives it a durable finish that won't wear away. With 2 lengths available, you can choose a rod that suits your blades. The steel is also magnetized, which allows it to hold on to any stray metal bits and allows you to store it on a magnetized panel. Given its affordable price, users are impressed with their purchase as well as the durability that the steel offers. Many reviewers use this every day and have not seen any poor results after heavy usage. At number 2, we have the Utopia Kitchen 10-inch steel rod. If you're a no-nonsense kind of person, you want the tools that get the job done. You don't need bells and whistles, or complicated instructions. Still, that doesn't mean you want cheap and nasty gear. For you, the right choice might be a tried-and-true approach, proven technology, and decent craftsmanship. This is a classic steel honing rod made of nickel chrome-plated carbon steel, and it's not pretending to be anything it isn't. It's a good length for handling more ordinary kitchen knives, and the design is effective but standard. I like the oversized handguard. There's no way your hand is slipping past this thing and down into the danger zone. The rest of the handle is shaped appropriately for a stable and comfortable grip. A large ring is built in for hanging up when not in use. I do have some minor concerns about the pointed end. It's great for holding it at an angle, or for anchoring into a soft surface. But be careful not to damage your counters, however, and keep a firm grip to avoid the bottom skittering away, if you're using the point-down technique rather than holding it in the air. And finally at number 1, we have the Green Elephant 11-inch ceramic rod. When you're really into a lifestyle, activity, or hobby, do you want to have a nice selection of the gear that goes along with it? Sometimes, though, that stuff can be overpriced and overkill. If you don't want the basics, but you also don't feel the need to spend a fortune on things you may or may not get the full benefit from, There should be some midpoint that makes sense, shouldn't there? The green elephant 11-inch ceramic rod fills the gap between basic and extreme in the honing segment. The ceramic rod is hard enough to go beyond mere edge straightening and does a bit of restorative sharpening. Overall, though, it's more forgiving than a diamond coat. At 11 inches long, it should handle even your longest knives with ease. Speaking of handles, it comes with an ergonomic plastic handle that should be easy and comfortable to hold. The handguard looks smaller than on some units I looked at, but will still do the job. If you read the buyer's guide section above, you already know that ceramic is more easily broken than steel. While that's still true of the green elephant, it does have integrated shock-absorbing technology, and a plastic tip, to help protect the rod from drops and bumps. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.